Perfect, 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 perfect.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, One Killer Cat, back at it again with another video. Let's get it. Y'all can see I'm out at the car show. There go my daughter in the back, in the front seat over here, hiding from everybody. There she is, right there. Yo, we out at the car show. We about to try to take another trophy, but I know it's only right. I come out, my homeboy Camaro over here looking good. Side chick, y'all done seen him on the racing channel. Well, on the channel racing. So if you haven't seen that video, man, go ahead and click on that Race Wars video, because that was a banger. Then, you know, we brought the Hellcat out with the trophies right there. And then you got side chick done up. Come after him, boy, because I'm telling you, he out here handing people L's. Here you go, take a L. Let's get it. Let's walk around here and see this, see all this content in these cars. Let's get it.
What's up? Side chick LT1, hit me up, baby.
Y'all know
we out here having a good time at this car show with my boy Killer Cat. This sexy ass beast over here. Got my mediocre car right here.
Nah, I ain't mediocre. Y'all know better than the line up next to this boy.
It's built for speed. That's the damn thing.
Oh, she pretty too. She is pretty too. Don't get it twisted. I love this engine work.
They're gonna, the motor I'm getting built, they're gonna powder coat the whole block that color.
I've been waiting on the powder coat my supercharger.
I got a guy.
They were supposed to do. I got to take it to an actual shop.
You need to use it. You need to use my.
Well, you let me know.
You let me know.
I'm always about it. I'm always about it. Hold on. Let me pause this video right quick. All right, so we back at the crib. It is the next day, man. By the time I got out of there, it was a little dark, not even really tripping. So, I wanted to go ahead and finish up the video. So we did take home 2 trophies. Not really trophies, they gave me rings. So there were trophies and there was rings. I took home best lighting and best dodge in there again. So I got another best dodge and I got another, I got my first best lighting. I have really good lighting, but I didn't feel like I had the best lighting. Generally, my lighting is on point, but for some reason, like a couple days prior, my underglow had went out. So I completely didn't have any of my underglow, but I had the rest of my lighting lit up, the front and the wheel light. So we took home best dodge, best lighting. So that was really it with that car show. I got some rings, which is funny because, generally you go to a car show and you get trophies. And then some people got trophies, some people got rings, but I don't know. But write down in my comments if you ever went to a car show and they handed out rings. I have never seen that, but I just want to know if that's something common. So please let me know if y'all ever got rings at a car show, if y'all seen a car show hand out rings. But with all that said and done, it was $25 to enter, so not too much, and it was a local car show. So not trying to bash anybody for anything that they did. I won 2 things, so that's what's up. Let's get it. Let's keep putting this thing on the map, man. Make sure y'all share my videos, man. I really need to get better at sharing videos and getting them out there to the world so that I can get this monster seen, because she is a beaut. Like, Candy is gorgeous. Like, she's a very beautiful car, and I do a lot of custom work trying to save people money on this car, or on any of these type of cars, or any car that you see in my video that we installing on. Like, I've done installs on other things. I have a Jeep on my channel, and I do all type of stuff. So just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video, man. Until next time, I'm out.